Hello there, welcome back to Mark RC. After buying the little FTX Outback 2.0 crawler and building that epic log course, I've seen a lot of hype online with these FMS Land Rovers, Discovery, and the other two variants they do of this particular little crawler. So I've ordered the Discovery version. Let's unbox it, see what you get in the box. £102 I paid for this particular crawler. I expect the quality will be a little bit better than the other car from the other video. So they do 4 different versions: Range Rover, Defender 90, Defender 110, and hopefully the Discovery is the one that I've got. Get a cool little decal sheet, sort of customise it to whatever country you live in. Nicely packaged. Well, I mean, that looks pretty cool. What else you get in the box? Get your standard USB charger. Nice, same control as the other brand uses. They do feel quite nice once they've got the batteries in and they've got a little bit of weight to them. I think it's a 4-channel control. Yeah, 4-channel. Bind, you can reverse. You've got your sub trims, simple on and off switch, and a nice spongy wheel, which is a lot nicer than the horrible plastic ones you get. Also get a bag of parts, a couple of little sand rails, which is quite cool. I suppose screw them to the side. Basically like Tamiya's box wrench style spanner. Tiny little Phillips screwdriver. Some 3 different size Allen keys down to absolutely tiny. Screws, some little shackles, little bits and bobs. And another gear, which says to me, yeah, the metal gears inside there. Yeah, they are. Yeah, metal gears. Cool little spare tyre. Mount that on the back. You've got a couple of little accessories already screwed to the roof rack there. Lovely spongy, proper tyre. They're not glued, but they're not. I don't think you really need to worry about gluing these. It's not as if you're going to be producing loads and loads of torque. So that's quite cool. Nice controller in the hand. Yeah, you get a little some little tools screwed on one side, and then on the roof rack on the other. Little spade, really scale body, because these are actually licensed by Land Rover. Even the little tow hitch on the back, a little functioning tow hitch. Really nice scale detail with all the ladders and the windscreen wipers. Really nice really soft tyres. 4-link underneath. Everything feels really nice, even down to the shock absorbers. Obviously this is £40 more than the FTX I bought, the FMS one, but I think that £40 is warranted just in that alone. Everything feels really nice. So you've got full-time 4-wheel drive. Let's have a look what's underneath. Simple case of this. The bodies are Velcroed on these, which makes it so easy to get in. Inside you've got everything laid out like a typical little crawler. 4 shock absorbers, just simple springs. I don't think they're oil filled. No, I don't think they're oil filled. Got a waterproof receiver, a little 380 milliamp battery in these, slightly bigger than the other little crawler I've got. It looks like you've got a full light kit inside. Everything feels really nice. Little metal chassis, and it's so nice when that's hinged on the back. I suppose that's because all the light kit just makes it super easy. I think it's either 1 or 1.5 little kg mini servo. that's mounted to the axle at the front. Feels really nice and smooth. Simple connections for your battery, so they get a charger, so there's no need to worry about that. 2.4 gig, so you haven't got any worries with interference when you're running. And I imagine when that's going over the log course, that suspension is going to really articulate super nice. So what I'll do is I'll get all the battery charged up, set a log course up. I come up with an idea, well, my son come up with an idea. If we named each obstacle that we make with like a sort of name on a piece of timber, you know, with some writing on there, whatever we're going to call that obstacle, then if people wanted to send a comment on how they'd like the course set up, then we can set the course up and we can see if these little crawlers, because I'll probably get 2 or 3 more of these for when people come round, and we can have like sort of little crawling comps. But Camel Trophy, licensed Discovery, I think is the nicest looking one, because it's a little bit more rounded. Absolutely epic. So hope you've enjoyed the little unboxing video. Next video I'll do will be running this over the log course and see if it performs better than the FTX Outback. But I think it does look a lot better. So I'll get that rear wheel mounted on, and I hope to see you in the next video. So thanks for watching. FMS Camel Trophy Epic. See you later. Bye.